Hi, this is Bob, segment 2 of the construction of a Paraset radio. This is my version of the radio. It is made with parts that I had at hand. I have added a little output transformer here so that I can plug in the standard headphones with 8 ohms. I can get those cheap little headphones at the dollar store then and use them with this. This is actually a 12-volt filament transformer. I think it will work. I'm going to try it. If it doesn't, I may have to change it. And I've got all the parts mounted in here. Here's that homemade telegraph key. The lights are mounted on plastic blocks of Lexan, 1/2 inch thick Lexan. You know, you can thread Lexan. I drilled it and tapped it and threaded it, and they make big long insulators then to mount the bulbs, because the bulbs are above ground in this setup. And here's the front panel, which is upside down here now. Turn it around. Here's the front panel. My own friction drive knob here, and the dial pointer is a 632 screw, just using the slot as the pointer. The power connector here, all I had was a cable mounted power connector like this one here, and so in order to use that, I just took it out of the housing, I cut the hole, I shoved it in there, and then I glued it in with E6000 glue. I really like that E6000 glue. I found that they have it at the Kmart stores, and another thing I found out about the E6000 glue is that glue is completely inert as far as RF is concerned. So if you wind coils or things like that, or you glue something in a rig, you don't have to worry about the E6000 shorting out the RF or changing the Q of the coil. The E6000 does a real good job. It's the best coil dope that I have found. So I highly recommend the use of the E6000 glue. I also find that it is a very good general purpose glue for gluing things like this connector in here and other little things that I do. So we've got all the parts mounted on the circuit board, on the chassis board, and we're ready to start some wiring. So that's it for now, fellas. 73s and good DX.